My name is Azharullah Sharif. I'm from Hyderabad. So I started losing my hairs. I thought to do hair transplant, and I heard about this clinic, New Roots Hair Clinic, through online. I've done a lot of research online, and I found good reviews of this clinic. And I went, and when I came here, and I met with the management, and they explained me what's the procedure and everything. And then I booked an appointment for my procedure, for my surgery, and they said they'll implant like 5,000 grafts. So the surgery went really good, not that painful. Today I came here for my bandage removal. They did it really good, no pain at all. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, New Roots.